whole food, plant-based diet plan. What to eat, what not to eat, and how do you design it? A whole food plant-based diet is one where we reduce or eliminate animal foods and processed foods and maximize our intake of healthy, whole plant foods. If this is the first time you're hearing about it, it can be quite difficult to imagine. What do I eat? What do I avoid? Should I calculate my carbohydrates, my fats, my proteins? How do I get started? The good news is that there are simple tools that you can use to make this happen in your life. Our mentor, Dr. Michael Greger, has created a wonderful tool called the Daily Dozen Checklist. It's a list of foods that helps you to eat the healthiest possible diet every day for optimal health and longevity. It has things like dals, beans, cruciferous vegetables, berries, green leafy vegetables. There are whole grains and nuts and seeds, beverages, even exercise. Following the Daily Dozen is a very simple, straightforward way to make sure that you not only meet your nutrition requirements on a daily basis, but also eat the healthiest possible blend of different food groups to achieve better health. At sampoornahara.com, every single one of our meals is designed to meet exactly half or more of every Daily Dozen requirement. So 2 meals a day, and you check off every single checkbox on the Daily Dozen list, except for beverages and exercise, of course. It's also very easy to eat a healthy diet at home using the Daily Dozen checklist. If you use it for about 2 weeks, after that you get used to it, and then you don't even need it anymore because you automatically know what you need to eat when you go shopping or when you go online shopping. Be blessed.